Hey guys, I'm back on the water today on my John boat. I decided to get out early this morning. Once again, I got work later on today, so hopefully I'm able to catch some fish before going in this afternoon. I'm out on my John boat today, so hopefully I'll be able to get some interesting footage for you guys, you know, with a different angle. Got one. Bass. Wow. Already. Wow. That's too cool, guys. That is unreal. Beautiful fish. That's what it's all about. I'm so happy. That's too cool. I just got here. I just launched off. Not even 5 casting. That's fantastic. Beautiful, healthy fish. He fought like a maniac. Getting kind of windy, blowing me around. Got one. Bluegill. There's grass in his mouth. I'm gonna let him go quick. That's a good fish. Good coloring. Damn, can't believe that. I was moving my boat around because this wind was... Got one. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Not full salad, boys and girls. Ah. Oh my lord. Alright, hopefully the footage isn't too bad on all that. I'm not too loud or anything. That was awesome. Like I said, I normally have action over by those lily pads. And I saw the wake shoot out for my lure, so I paused it and this guy was on. I'm happy he didn't break me off because he definitely had the potential to. His teeth could have gotten me. The lily pads could have gotten me. Or all the factors above could have gotten me. You know, perfect conditions. So I'm gonna let this guy go. That one. I don't know if this was him that hit my swim dinger. Very well could have been. Nice fish. I'm gonna let him go. Hey guys, of course I wasn't rolling. I just had this nice pickerel come up and hit my wacky worm. I hooked him up right on top of the lip. Perfect. He's got a broken gill here. Try to fix it for him. Oh shoot. That's probably how he broke his gill in the first place. Beautiful fish though, I'm gonna let him go. This one came out, hit it hard. Wow. It's awesome, guys. Really nice fish, really great fish. Really great fight. Great fight, nice fish. Just had this pickerel hit my trout magnet, and he's off. Nice. Healthy fish. I'm gonna let him go real quick. Got one. Nice crappie. Alright, got him. He's a bleed. I'm gonna get him. Cleaned off real quick. Little pickerel. Great fish. Nice fight. I'm surprised he didn't bust me off, honestly, the way I was messing around with him. I was asking for it. I let him go. Got a pickerel. Oh, busted me off. Hold him down a little more. Good fish. Good fish. Hey guys, I just had this bluegill. I got busted off like a second ago from a fish. Don't even know what it was. It was my fault though. My line was frayed beforehand. I should have retied, but I didn't. Good fish. I'm letting him go though. Got this guy. That's one dinger. I'm letting him go. Got this little bluegill. I had a couple other hits in between that last fish and this one, but I wasn't able to get anything. So I decided to put on my trout magnet. Uh-oh. He's wild. There we go. I'm gonna let him go. Here we go. I probably gonna head back into the boat ramp. Had a pretty good day, caught some nice fish. Gonna go back home, start getting ready for work, make sure everything's put away, like the batteries and the boat is all tarped up and covered. You know, can't complain. Beautiful day, great weather. The wind wasn't too bad. It's definitely getting hotter. Yeah, guys, it's a great day. Excited to get this video edited for you guys and hopefully have it out later. I don't really know what my issue is with YouTube right now, but I've been trying to upload a video since last night of yesterday's kayak fishing day. But it's getting stuck on the process or the processing stage. You know, like if it's standard 2K HD, all like the ways to watch the video, I guess. I don't even know. I got to figure it out. But hopefully I'll be able to get this done for you guys. So, like I said, good day of fishing. Good day of fishing. Hopefully to see you guys later on. And here from the More Fish channel. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. What's up? I just wanted to give you guys a little walkover. We haven't really done anything new to it except for switch out some of these clips for a higher grade. For some reason they've been burning up. This one in particular, I think it's been the positive one that's been giving us a lot of issues. So we switched it out to something a little more heavy duty gauge. We're at least hoping that's the case. Trolling motor up here all tucked away. I was able to organize up here a little more. I have this transducer line zip tied to my trolling motor, and then I have it also zip tied to the power cable right here, so it's all tucked and organized neat. Before it was just kind of a mess up here. Tons of just excess and extra cables just laying around, stuff to get hung up on, you know, just stuff that you shouldn't really have on your deck, or stuff that should be organized on your deck if you're gonna have it, for sure. So that's what I did. I organized it. As you can see, it's all clear, it's all clean. I got to clean up the boat later on. I ran into some trees today, so that's what that's all about. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys see the boat. Again, nothing much to really report on besides that. Everything else is actually holding up pretty good. I've been caught out in the rain a few times, so I've been able to, you know, get home in time where I have like maybe an hour of sunshine, and I've been lucky enough to shop vac most of the water out, so everything is staying in pretty good shape. Because yeah, the way we've had this setup has pretty much been going on for a year now, I want to say, and I'm so happy with it, just how everything's turned out. If I had to make upgrades, which me and my father will be doing to this deck, I'll make a video on that. We're going to be updating the deck on my boat soon. Any upgrade I'm going to be doing is probably going to be this. I'm really going to focus in on here because this takes a lot of, I guess, just a lot of action. When it jumps, like the first initial jump when I hit this button here, you know, it can, again, get a bit wobbly. This wasn't the original trolling motor we had on this boat. This is a newer one. So this stand here was made for one that wasn't as powerful. And we didn't think that we needed to. Because again, original we put on here, we had the 12 volt battery going. Now we got the 24 volt. So as you can guess, it puts off a tremendous amount of power and kick. So again, in the future, I'm going to be redoing this deck. So be on the lookout for that video. Again, me and my father, we're gonna take some days off, or we're gonna just knock that out, make sure everything's right. Thinking about painting the boat too. We still have to get our hands on the paint, and we still have to decide on what kind of carpet we want. So yeah, so just any suggestions would be cool, guys. And again, I know I said it earlier, but I appreciate everybody watching my videos. Make sure to stay tuned, and again, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.